Welcome. This video will show you the steps involved in configuring your company's branding within the WebOffice admin. Adding your branding elements will give the WebOffice your company's look, feel, and personality, while also helping your associates feel at home in the WebOffice. Now, let's get started by logging into the WebOffice admin. Clicking the Branding tab in the WebOffice Configuration section will take you to the Branding page. This is where your company branding can be added or edited. The branding page has 4 different sections. In this video, we will mainly be covering 2 of them: colors and logos. There are 4 main cards that will affect the color branding within the WebOffice. First, click the Edit Color tab on the card. It will flip around and show a section that asks for a hex code color value. If you aren't sure what the hex code is for the color that you want to use, browser extensions like ColorDropper find the hex code of any color on the web page. Or you can find many color tools online that will let you view and select different colors, while also showing their hex codes. Enter the hex code color value in the format provided. Click the Save button. Once that process is complete, you'll notice a message appear in the bottom right corner of the page, confirming the color has been saved. Complete the hex code values for each card. You'll also notice some features in the WebOffice admin, like the app bar header and the buttons, are also affected by your color branding. Now, let's check out what every color entry has changed in the WebOffice. If you happen to have a WebOffice page open for testing at the time the changes were made, and notice the changes haven't occurred immediately, simply log out, and then re-enter the WebOffice page. The main color changes the app bar header, and also changes the color of text links. Accent color number 1 changes the color of buttons, and also any app bars connected to a button. Accent color number 2 changes the selected state. You can see an example here on the calendar widget. It also changes the app bar when the action is a pop-up or temporary, as seen here in the Documents and Media page. Accent color number 3 affects the side navigation bar, changing the color of the item selected. Now let's add some logos. Hover over the center of the gray square of the logo tiles. This area displays the required PNG dimensions for the logo. If a logo is chosen that isn't within these limits, you will receive an error message, and the logo will not be inserted. Click the white square and a file selection window will appear, allowing you to choose the logo you want to use. The maximum file size available for a logo is 2 megabytes. It is also recommended that each logo design has a clear background. The large logo is used on the login page. The small logo is used on the side navigation bar. And the favicon logo can be seen on the Browser tab. You can add to the other 2 sections on this page at any time. The image section involves adding images for the calendar, profile background, and any external share pages. While icons is mainly adding images to your ranks. You now know how to add your branding to the WebOffice admin to personalize the WebOffice experience. For more in-depth videos, tutorials, and how-to guides, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com. And thanks for learning with us.